Hi! So today's video is obviously the next Zodiac tutorial. So we've done Aries, we've done Taurus, so this is Gemini. So yes, if you are into astrology, you know anything about astrology, if you've seen my little astrology video where I said my favourite signs, Gemini is one of them, and I also have a Gemini moon as well, so I'm kind of biased towards Geminis. So yeah, we're doing the Gemini tutorial today. So this is what we've got going on. This is my favourite one that I've done so far. I do really like how this one turned out. So if you're a Gemini and you're watching this, let me know if you like this look. If you have any Gemini in your chart, let me know if you've connected with my face right now. Let me know what you think of the tutorial, even if you aren't a Gemini or have no Gemini in your chart whatsoever, or if you don't even like astrology, let me know what you think. And yeah, I'll just shut up now because I'm actually in a really weird mood. So yeah, okay, enjoy the video, subscribe if you want to, if you don't, okay, and give the video a thumbs up as well, and just keep watching. Alright, I think this is like the new hairstyle for just life right now, because at least it kind of looks tidy and not like I've just rolled out of bed. Okay, so this is the eye look I've gone for Gemini. This was actually pretty hard for me to decide on what I was gonna do. Let's just do it. So same as always, p.Louise eyeshadow base to prime. I'm so conscious of my mirror because I know people get aggressive with mirrors being in makeup tutorials. I've seen, not on my videos, but I've seen people comment on other people's videos oh my god, move your mirror out the way. If it was here, fair enough. Ooh, that needs it clean, doesn't it? But you know, I need it close, okay? I need to see my eyes. I actually really like this look, and I was really excited to do Gemini because I have a Gemini moon. I do really like Gemini traits. I like Gemini suns. I like Gemini moons. I was also very not confused, but I was struggling to decide on what colours to go for, because I turned to my Bible, my astrology book, and it does say that the special colours for Gemini is yellow and other bright and luminous colours, because they're supposed to symbolise novelty. But for me, when I think of Gemini, I think of gold, to be honest. I think of a dirty gold, so that is kind of what I went with here. And then obviously I wanted to put my own twist on it, so I've used another colour on top, because obviously the Gemini symbol is the twin. They are ruled by Venus, is it, or Mercury? Which one? Mercury. And obviously that symbolises communication. That is the planet of communication, hence why their symbol is the twins. It's two of them. I wanted to put two colours together, so I've put something over top. You can't really see it right now. Maybe you'll see, maybe I'll go over it a little bit. So I just wanted to do an eye look that kind of had two shimmery shades, if that makes sense, just to try and have that twin vibe in there. So I did go with yellow. I stuck with kind of what my book said about yellow. It also said the flowers are, what were the flowers? Lily, I think it said. Lily of the valley and lavender. So once I've done my face makeup, I think I'm gonna do maybe some purple on the lower lash line to kind of get, and then kind of lighten it up so it's a bit, I haven't figured out how to do that yet, because I need a lavender colour and I don't have a lavender eyeshadow, so I haven't figured that bit out yet, but we're gonna go with what we've got going on so far. So the palette I've used is the Carnival palette from BPerfect. I used the shade Shuffle first, which is the mustardy yellow, and I only really use two colours in the crease. It is actually a really simple look. It just kind of looks a bit out there, but so are Geminis. Okay, then I'm taking the shade Keen, which is just a lighter yellow from the palette, and I'm just going to use this to buff around the edges and just kind of blend this into the other yellow shade as well. Then I've been doing that TikTok hack actually of using the translucent powder. I tried it again today. I'm probably going to be using this trick a lot, so I just use this around the edges, because for me I think this is a helpful hack. By the way, if you have no idea what I'm talking about, one of my last videos I tested a bunch of TikTok makeup hacks, and I have not just dropped my Hourglass powder all over the floor. You know when you just try and be a good person and then shit like this happen? That costs like rent. Oh, it's on the bag. It's what? Come on. I even like saged my room this morning to get rid of all the bad vibes, and then this happens. You know what? Let's just stay positive. I can't actually see how much powder I have. Okay, as I was saying, let's try and stay calm right now. So, as I was saying, I tested a lot of TikTok hacks, makeup hacks, to see if they worked. One of them was using translucent powder to kind of blend out like eyeshadow. Yeah, fair enough, it's maybe for like harsher eyeshadow, but just kind of using it just like in the crease just really helps, I think. And what I was saying is that like my eyes, they are like, my lid space is like quite small, so like I feel like I always take up my crease eyeshadow like way too much. So this translucent powder thing actually kind of helps. I'm taking this one, which is Hustle, and I did actually just take it on a brush. I've got powder everywhere and I'm going out after, and I'm using this all over the lid. I kind of wanted to keep it a bit easy as well, and not like do a cut crease in every single one of these videos. This everywhere, but I am gonna kind of like take it quite high up in the crease just so it kind of looks like you've kind of cut it but you haven't really, you know, just trying to fool you like Geminis will try and fool you. I haven't had any coffee today. I'm losing me marbles. I've never said that before, honest. What is wrong with me right now? This is what we've got going on. I love these colours, they blend really well. Then I'm taking Rowdy from the palette, which is this brown. This guy here. This is gonna be the outer corner colour. Okay, then for the other colour that I was talking about, like putting it on the lid, I'm gonna take Queenie, is it called? Yeah, just this gold here. So that's the main shade that I've got on, and then we're using this one as well. And I'm just going to put this right in the centre. I feel like it looks really cool. And then my Eyeko eyeliner for the top. Okay, so this is pretty much the eyes done. So, did I even get a face primer? No, I didn't. Good start. No reasoning for this, I just haven't used this in a while. This is the Revolution Hydrate face primer. This is a really nice primer. I always like forget how good this is. That's really tacky. Kind of reminds me of the Smashbox primerizer. But foundation, again, we're doing the kind of twinning vibes today. So I'm gonna like mix two foundations, but only because this is too dark for me. But this is the Zoeva Authentic Skin Natural Luminous Foundation. I use the shade Grace, but it's too deep. It's not that it's too deep, it's just the undertone is like pink. And I couldn't find like an olivey undertone one when I ordered it. So I'm gonna mix some of the LA Girl White foundation in with it. Alright, so for concealer, I'm going to use the Jefree Star Cosmetics concealer. I love this concealer. Honestly, the more I use like Jeffree's concealer and his loose powder, the loose powder especially, I've been really obsessed with that. Then we're going to set the face with, if I have any of this left anyway, with, you know, what I dropped on the floor before. Well, while my face is baking, I've actually got a cream bronzer, so I'm going to use the Sosu Cream Contour in Warm. Okay, To kind of like set down that cream bronzer, I'm going to use the Milani Silky Matte Bronzer in Sunkissed. I'm going to kind of use this as like a contoury kind of shade. It's quite cool. I'm just going to pat in that loose powder from under there. Okay, I don't know whether to use purple now. I wish I could literally do like a live poll from when I'm filming this. I think I might do like a little bit and just kind of see how it goes, because I really like how it looks now. I don't really want to ruin it. I'm going to take Chant here. Okay, it doesn't actually look bad. Can you see it? Right, well, the thought's there anyway. Oh, I don't actually want to highlight like the brow bone or anything yet. I think I might just do that with the highlight, which is what we're going to do now. So I'm going to use the Jefree Star Cosmetics highlight in King Tut. It's just a very Gemini gold for me. Like this is like the one thing I was sure of when I was going to do the Gemini one, is that this highlight was going to be the one I was going to use. So okay, I think we've just got lips to do now. So I am going to keep it quite pale. You know what I've just realised? I haven't even put mascara on. Did I curl my lashes and not put mascara? I fully did, didn't I? I almost finished this video without putting mascara on. Honest to God, I'm going to use the mascara by Revolution. I think that looks a bit better now. It looks like I'm kind of here. A liner and then a gloss over top, I think. I think that's what we're going to do. I kind of want to keep it a bit pale for the lips, just because like it was saying about like the flowers, like it's kind of lavender and a lily or something like that. So we're going to keep it a bit pale. So I'm going to use the Sosu lip liner in I Like It. I'm then going to use the Colourpop Ultra Glossy Lip in Curvii. Okay, so that is it for the Gemini tutorial. Honestly, I think out of the ones that I've done so far, this is probably my favourite one. It's like smoky, but like bronzy. It's like a bronze smoky, yeah, I don't know where I'm going with that. I really, really do. And I just didn't think about using this palette for like its warmer tones, because it's just such like a bright coloured palette. I usually just use it for like really bright colourful looks. But here you go, we've got a nice neutral-ish bronzy look from that palette. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this. If you are a Gemini, I hope you like this look as well. If you are a Gemini, let me know what you think of this look, if you think it's very you, if you would wear this. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this makeup look, then subscribe if you want, and I will see you in my next video.